Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we will learn about the government. I hope your condition is well. Just meet this video. Now just back to the slide again. Government. System of government. Sistem pemerintahan. Kingdom. A kingdom system is led by a king. Kerajaan dipimpin oleh seorang raja. Empire. An empire system is led by an emperor. Sebuah kekaisaran dipimpin oleh seorang kaisar. A presidential. A presidential system is led by a president. Sistem presidensial dipimpin oleh seorang presiden. And monarchy. A monarchy, a government system is led by a prime minister. Sebuah negara monarki, sistem pemerintahannya dipimpin oleh seorang perdana menteri. Namun sistem negaranya, kenegaraannya atau lambang negaranya adalah seorang raja. Kita lihat berikutnya. Kita sekarang belajar tentang Indonesia secara makro ya. Pertama adalah the form of government of Indonesia is republic. Bentuk dari negara Indonesia adalah, bentuk pemerintahan dari Indonesia adalah negara republik. And Indonesia is led by a president. And if the president is unavailable, the tasks handled by a vice president. Indonesia adalah sebuah negara kesatuan yang dipimpin oleh seorang presiden. Dan jika seorang presiden itu mangkat atau mungkin tidak ada, atau ada tugas-tugas ke luar negeri yang sangat sibuk, dan tugas di dalam negeri bisa dihandle oleh seorang wakil presiden. Next, a president is helped by ministers. Seorang presiden dibantu oleh beberapa orang menteri. Next, Jakarta is the capital city of Indonesia. Jakarta adalah ibu kota negara Indonesia. And there are 34 provinces in Indonesia. Dan ada 34 provinsi di Indonesia. And the next, a province is led by a governor. Sebuah provinsi dipimpin oleh seorang gubernur. Next, a province consists of several regencies. Sebuah provinsi terdiri dari beberapa kabupaten-kabupaten. A regency is led by a regent. Sebuah kabupaten dipimpin oleh seorang bupati. A regent. Next, a regency consists of several sub-districts. Sebuah kabupaten terdiri dari beberapa sub-district atau kecamatan. Berikutnya, a sub-district is led by a chief of sub-district atau sub-district chief. Sebuah kecamatan dipimpin oleh seorang pemimpin kecamatan atau camat kalau kita kenal. Berikutnya, a sub-district consists of several villages. Sebuah kecamatan terdiri dari beberapa desa-desa. The last, a village is led by a village chief. Sebuah desa dipimpin oleh seorang kepala desa atau lurah. And the next, look, ministers. As the first explanation that minister helps the president. Menteri, seperti penjelasan yang pertama tadi, para menteri membantu seorang presiden. Now we take a look one by one the name of the ministers. Kita akan lihat satu-satu nama dari sebuah kementerian. The first, Minister of Internal Affairs, Menteri Dalam Negeri. Minister of Internal Affairs, Menteri Dalam Negeri. Okay, student, you can memorize in yourself. Yeah, after finish this video, I want you to memorize this. Minister of Internal Affairs is Menteri Dalam Negeri. The next, Minister of Foreign Affairs. Ministers of Foreign Affairs, Menteri Luar Negeri. I'm sorry, this is a mistype. Ini salah ketik, harusnya Menteri Luar Negeri. Okay. The next, ya, Minister of Education. Minister of Education, Menteri Pendidikan. Okay. The next, Minister of Religion Affairs, Menteri Agama. Minister of Religion Affairs, we can call Minister of Religious Affairs. It's okay. Minister of Religious Affairs sama dengan Menteri Agama dalam bahasa Indonesia. The next, Minister of Agriculture. Minister of Agriculture, Menteri Pertanian. Ya, Minister of Agriculture, Menteri Pertanian. The next, Minister of Forestry. Minister of Forestry. Minister of Forestry is Menteri Kehutanan dalam bahasa Indonesia. The next, Minister of Health, Menteri Kesehatan. Minister of Health, Menteri Kesehatan. The next, Minister of Finance, Menteri Keuangan. Minister of Finance, Menteri Keuangan. Next, Minister of Social Services. Minister of Social Services, Menteri Sosial. The next, Minister of Culture and Tourism. Minister of Culture and Tourism, Menteri Kebudayaan dan Pariwisata. If we know the job for those ministries, for example, number one is Minister of Internal Affairs. Sebagai contoh, Menteri Dalam Negeri yang bertugas mengurusi urusan-urusan dalam negeri. It has a task to handle in the internal tax in the country. And Minister of Foreign Affairs, it has a job to handle any of foreign affairs, such as to make a relationship to another country, seperti contohnya untuk membuat hubungan luar negeri dan lain sebagainya. Minister of Education, Menteri Pendidikan, it handle all the education issue. Menteri Pendidikan yaitu mengurusi tentang pendidikan. Minister of Religious Affairs is handle about religious in Indonesia. There are 5 religion in Indonesia. And Minister of Agriculture is handle all the tasks about agriculture. Minister of Forestry is handle about the forest in Indonesia. And Minister of Health has a job to make people health in Indonesia. And Minister of Finance, it's merely handle about the finance in Indonesia. And Minister of Social Services is also handle about social services atau hubungan yang bersifat sosial. Minister of Culture and Tourism, it handle about all the issue about the culture and tourism, menghandle tentang aturan-aturan atau memajukan turis dan kebudayaan di Indonesia. The next, Municipality in Indonesia. Municipality in Indonesia. Municipality dalam bahasa Indonesia adalah kota madya. A municipality is led by a mayor. Sebuah kota madya dipimpin oleh wali kota. Now we will learn about here the table about municipality and location in province. For example, Municipality of Banda Aceh location in province in Nangro, Aceh Darussalam. And the municipality of Medan, located at North Sumatra. Municipality East Jakarta, located at DKI Jakarta. Bogor in West Java, Semarang in Central Java, Magelang located in Central Java, and Surabaya is at East Java. There are several municipalities again in Indonesia, but we can show up in here. Now, there are some geographically location of Indonesia here. Some location of Indonesia views the geographically. Lokasi Indonesia dilihat dari lokasi secara geografis. Indonesia is located between two continents. They are Asia and Australia, and two oceans. They are India Ocean and Pacific Ocean. And astronomically location of Indonesia, lokasi Indonesia dilihat secara segi astronomis, yaitu Indonesia is located at 95 degree to 141 degree east longitude and 6 degree of north latitude and 11 degree of south latitude. Indonesia terletak di antara 95 derajat dan 140 derajat bujur timur dan 6 derajat lintang utara dan 11 derajat lintang selatan. And the next, we have vocabularies here. We have notated that word and meaning here, but not all of that. But we can manage one by one. Archipelago meaning is kepulauan. Ocean, samudra. Island meaning is pulau. Manage meaning mengatur. Led by meaning dipimpin oleh. Country meaning negara. But some word country can be mean as desa atau pedesaan. But in here we talk about the nation. The country mean negara. Queen meaning ratu. Prince meaning pangeran. Princess meaning putri raja, and foreign meaning luar negeri. Okay, students, I hope you enjoy this learning, and thank you very much for your kind attention. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so that I can make another English language, another English learning, so that our improvement in English can be go through. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.